You're welcome in Morocco. I am Johannes.
Hi, Johannes.
Nice to see you in Morocco. Big welcome.
Thank you.
Lovely and jubbly.
Yeah.
Big welcome.
Welcome to Morocco. Now I've been here twice already, but something about this country always brings me back. Whether it's the great weather, delicious food, the people, or shopping in the old town Medina, I never turn down a trip to this great North African gem. Jemaa El Fna, also known as Old Town, is the heart of Marrakech and home to its world famous Medina. From argan oil, spices, clothing and food, it's easy to get lost in this labyrinth. The deeper you go, the more each market stall starts to look the same. You soon find out you've been walking in circles for the last hour.
Okay, we're in the middle of the Medina, but we're pretty lost. We've gone around in circles quite a few times, but we're gonna try and make it out. There's a lot of alleyways going left and right, so we're gonna keep moving and see what we can do. So catch you in a bit. Oh, I just need the lead. The cable. Yeah, the cable. How much?
50 dirham.
15.
50.
50. 50?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's too expensive. Is that the best price? 20.
No, best price.
We'll go to the other one then.
Alright then, go. Thank you anyway. Thank you.
No problem. Only 25. 20.
20 final price.
Oh,
Huh?
Pepsi Cola.
20.
25.
20.
You happy, me happy.
20.
Okay, my friend.
Thank you very much, mate. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much. What iPhone charger? 20 dirhams. He asked for 50 at first. Then he said 30. Then he said 25. Then we managed to get him down, so decent. Because I left my charger out.
We have with script, same this. Same the white one.
Can you show me the other ones? That was not it.
What the hell is it?
No, it's too short. It's gonna be up here. My legs are too long.
You want long than this?
Yeah, it needs to be long, but it's okay. It's okay. I just look around. What is going on?
What is going on?
Can you imagine my legs in that?
You like this color, my friend?
That's gonna come up to there.
That's gonna be so. It's gonna be so short. That is not very much so. MC Hammer pants. That is not it. That's too big.
Help me! My Corey! My belly is showing.
She can't get the whole. She can't get the dress off.
Help me!
Go on, you're alright.
And that's
Are you
that
having
on
it?
that. Yes, I will.
It was close to 40 degrees that day, and one of the best things about Old Town are the number of stalls selling freshly squeezed juice. Every fruit you can think of, they have. Hand pressed, blended all together and served ice cold.
You want juice? Small one? You take the
Bud, give me change.
I have not one. I have lunch. They are cheering over there. Look at them.
Okay, we're in the middle of the Medina. We found our way back out into the square. At this time, Senegal was playing in the African Nations Cup against Tunisia, and I guess they scored the winning goal because the crowd out here went crazy. Now, you'll probably find there's a lot of Senegalese people in Morocco, so like the entire place just erupted, and we had just crowds everywhere. There's such like an amazing atmosphere and good spirit out here, just everyone cheering and having fun and celebrating. Sénégal qui a gagné! Sénégal!
I'm very happy for Senegal, for Black Diamond. Yeah. Thank you, Senegal.
The next day I headed west of Marrakech, hired a driver for the day and drove 2.5 hours to the laid-back beach town of Essaouira. The early wake-up call had us all falling in and out of sleep across the entire journey. It was pretty much a long open road. That was until I came across one of the weirdest things I'd ever seen in my life. Goats in a tree.
Side of the road, and lo and behold, behind me there's like a tree full of goats. You can see it there. They're just positioned. They just sit in. You know, goats meeting goats. Like the way they just stand there, they're just positioned. It's mad. But look, you can see. Okay, girl. I hear ya. That's so dope.
We continued driving, and our next stop before Essaouira was the Argan Oil Factory, Afus Argan. Everywhere in Morocco, someone is trying to sell you argan oil, and in Western culture, argan oil has become one of the most sought after products for hair and skin use. However, in Morocco, it can be difficult to spot the quality oil from the knockoffs. It was cool to see how the women grind the nuts to make the products, which included oils for food, hair, and skin. We did end up buying a few things, as I bought oils when I previously visited a few years ago, so I felt comfortable using the same products even though they are a bit overpriced.
Can you dip it in there?
Yeah.
Which is this one?
Argan oil, honey, and almonds.
Ah, okay.
This is Nutella.
This is a nice one?
Nutella. Arabic almond. Minty.
Oh yeah, it does taste like peanut butter. Yeah, that's good. Good. Oh, listen.
I'm back again, and that's on period. He's taking pictures of our mother and our father. Corey's never gonna post this, but I think it's funny that I do this so that he looks back at this and thinks, this stupid girl.
Crystal, the battery's gonna die and I don't want the recording to go. You've got a camera, use your camera. Welcome to Essaouira. We have traveled west about 2.5 hours from Marrakech to the coast. It's kind of like a fishing village, I should say, because there's loads of like places where you can get fresh fish, loads of markets as well. I'm pretty hungry as always, so we're gonna head and try and find a nice little restaurant or spot to grab something to eat, and then after that we'll sit and chill by the beach.
All this, and for him, what do you sir, what do you like?
How much is per person?
No, this, and chicken or pizza margarita.
Yeah.
And chips and salad and drink 600. All this. All.
Hey guys, takeover 2. I'm back again. He's trying to take the camera from me. Okay, but I'm just trying to have fun.
But you have your own camera, you haven't taken that camera out once.
No, it's okay, sir.
This flexible or good, that is small.
But he likes that one.
This Polaris.
No.
Polaris.
Nah, that's not you.
Thank you.
I have this one.
This guy is really trying to sell us these sunglasses. I did buy a nice pair of them though for, I got 2 for 250 dirhams. I don't know. I may have got ripped off, but it seemed, I mean, he was trying to sell them at 400 each at first, and I managed to get 2 for 250, so I guess that's a bargain. I mean, 250 is not bad. I'm happy with it, you know. That's about less than 20 quid.
Out of 50. 50. Wait, my friend.